hope you had a blissful last week. The homework which was given, I hope you all practiced that. With this, over to you, Sister Sangeeta.
Om Shanti, good morning to everybody, and warm welcome to all of you also. Okay, so I think so we all have done the homework. I hope you remember the homework. Yes, all of you. Yeah, and we all must have done also the homework. Yes, everybody has done the homework. The homework was no anger, creating no anger for 1 week. So I think so many of them must be successful also. Wonderful, because there were many who raised their hands. Very good, very good. So we all found some benefit also when we didn't do any, we didn't become angry. फायदा भी लगा उसमें करने से. Yeah. तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ, क्योंकि जितना जब हमने नहीं किया, we experienced ourselves to be more powerful, because वो नहीं करने का मतलब क्या है कि see just saying कि उसने ऐसा किया ही था ना, so it's bound to it's very natural to be angry. Means what? Because it is difficult, it is just not possible. So when we said this, it's like we are giving up to anything which is not under my control. It's like, suppose जैसे this sofa, if I need to say it's a very you can say बहुत ज़्यादा वजन है, easily what I can do is I can say it's very difficult, I cannot lift it. But what is the power? Ki I lift it, but still I don't feel that I've done it anything. This is called I'm powerful. है ना? So similarly, just saying it's difficult, it's natural. So we are actually becoming weak. Lekin I lift the sofa. I, in spite of the situations, I still be cool, calm, composed, and still creating good wishes within. ऊपर से चुप नहीं. Anger doesn't mean, no anger doesn't mean just keeping quiet outside. But still lifting it, being cool, calm, composed, and still having the good wishes. भावनाओं में change नहीं आना, that is called no anger. So what I'm doing, I'm making myself powerful and not feeling also कि मैंने बहुत किया. This is called power. Suppose the one who can lift the sofa, keep it, and then still not feel anything about it. Who is more powerful? And saying it's very hard or it's very heavy, I cannot do it. Who is more powerful? So therefore, all those who have done the homework are what? Weak, powerful. So what we did actually in the course, by doing the homework, because we didn't become angry, right? Who would like to share one experience? There was a situation, you didn't become angry. So anyone who would like to share? No one. Or let me Acha, you would, Pushpa Ben would like to share it.
Yeah. So good morning, sister. I would share a very good example, which is as good as yesterday. That I had one disaster where the geyser fell off. And normally in my past experience, I would get very agitated and I would, do all the possible left, right, center for the other person. But the beautiful part was that I did not get at all angry. And I was very composed. I said, okay, incidents happen. let me see what has happened, how it has happened. So, and then I feel really good that when you said you feel powerful when you don't lose your temper, I think that's what was the feeling. And next today morning also, I'm feeling very controlled and poised. Although it could have been a very fatal, had somebody been sitting on the seat, it would have been a fatal disaster for me. So controlling anger is definitely it gives you a lot of peace inside. That's the not
So what
controlling. I think I didn't feel it. In fact,
you
it's
didn't
not
feel,
that
that is
controlling.
more
Yes.
important.
Yeah.
It's not only controlling, but you didn't
Yeah.
feel. So what actually happened now in her case? So what she did, she controlled herself, and in other words, she didn't feel also. So that time, who all were in that situation, they all felt very happy. Okay, they were also, they didn't go out of control, and sort of like sh- uh, people people spoke good about her, right? All the people around you that time spoke good about you. Acha, it was not only that movement, but they had, it was like inside they felt कि ये तो कितनी अच्छी बात है. So will this incident, will they mention about this incident in any other of their life, whatever will happen in the life, कि this happened and that sister, our mother, our wife, whatever, she didn't even, she was very much like cool, calm, and having good wishes. तो आपने क्या किया? आपने दुआई कमाई. Creating good feelings in others for you is the blessings you earned. So when you earned blessings for 5 minutes that time, but then whenever this incident will be recalled by those people, that time in itself, that time also people will have good feelings for you, right? So how long lasting feelings you have invested, तो कितना बड़ा इन्वेस्टमेंट हुआ. तो क्या होगा कि now, since you practiced for 1 week, so it became easy for you कि जब ऐसी situation आई, immediately you could do it. तो छोटी छोटी इंसिडेंट्स में हमें प्रैक्टिस करनी होती है. दूध गिरा, कूल काम. उसने ड्राइवर लेट आया, आई एम कूल, आई एम काम. वी विल डिसिप्लिन, वी विल बात भी बताएंगे, बट विद डिग्निटी एंड रिस्पेक्ट. तो न अपनी शक्ति कम करेंगे, न उसकी एनर्जी कम करेंगे, एंड डिसिप्लिन करेंगे. So not neither I am getting using aggression, nor I am allowing him to use aggression, but still the discipline would be there. नहीं तो क्या होता है, मुझे उसको बोलना है कि तुमने इतनी गलती की, तो फर्स्ट आई मेक माई सेल्फ वीक, और फिर उसको बताएंगे यू आर दिस, एंड देन आई एम सेइंग डू द वर्क. एनर्जी डाउन करके then I say, giving them a very big project to the employees. Are we doing justice? दोनों की एनर्जी डाउन किया. तो अब आपने क्या किया, दिस ब्लेसिंग्स आपने अर्न किया. अब क्या होगा कि आउटसाइड कुछ भी ठीक नहीं है, बिजनेस भी ठीक नहीं है, मे बी इधर शरीर भी ठीक नहीं है, देयर इज सम इलनेस गोइंग ऑन, बट स्टिल यू फील कि पता नहीं मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, एंड ये फीलिंग हो रही है कि एवरीथिंग, सब कुछ ठीक हो ही जाएगा. why that lightness, why that faith, why that confidence? Because the blessings which you are getting, she's so good, she's so good. मेरे मालिक ने ना, मैं लेट आया, बट देन भी मेरे साहब ने मुझे डांटा नहीं. वो कितनों को बोलेगा और कितने समय तक बोलेगा वो. तो ये जो ब्लेसिंग्स है, ये will make you light. Happiness is just not dependent on what all we do, but happiness is dependent on the karma. Because बाहर ठीक है कि नहीं वो तो ठीक है, लेकिन happiness is a inner feeling, and it's dependent on my karma, the energy I radiate to people and the energy I receive from people. So dhan kamana, ye bhi, earning money is a very good account, is one account, we are doing it. But earning blessings is a very powerful account. And जीवन में कभी ऐसी बात आती है, तब एनी प्रॉब्लम, एनी क्राइसिस आती है, तब हम, बहुत बार अनुभवी है कि सारा पैसा होकर भी हम उस प्रॉब्लम को ठीक नहीं कर सकते. और कभी कोई एक बात, पूरा पैसा भी दे दो बट यू आर स्टिल नॉट एबल टू गेट एनी सोल्यूशन. और कुछ ऐसा हो जाता है एंड देन दैट प्रॉब्लम इज सॉल्व्ड एंड देन वी से कि पता नहीं किसकी दुआ थी कि वो बात ठीक हो गई, एकदम पहाड़ से राई हो गया. व्हाट इज दिस पहाड़ से राई होने वाला? दिस इज नथिंग बट द ब्लेसिंग्स आई हैव अर्नड. मनी भी अर्न करना पड़ता है, ब्लेसिंग्स भी अर्न करना पड़ता है. देयर आर टू थिंग्स इन लाइफ विच हैज टू बी अर्नड. तो ब्लेसिंग्स जब अर्न करते हैं ना, और दुआ अपने कर्मों से कमाई जाती है. खुश रहने का एक ही तरीका है, क्रिएटिंग हाई एनर्जी, रेडिएटिंग हाई एनर्जी and receiving high energy in return. Living in life with the purpose of giving blessings and receiving blessings. ये जब लाइफ का पर्पस हो जाता है, सो क्या होता है, बिकॉज ब्लेसिंग्स वो एनर्जी है जिसमें जो दुआएं देते हैं और लेते हैं, उनका ग्लास, उनका मन रूपी ग्लास क्या होगा, एकदम फुल है. What we are doing, the glass is full in the morning, but इसको बोला, इसको डाटा, वो क्या हो रहा है, वो एनर्जी माइंड की कम होती जा रही है. एंड बिकॉज एज वी सॉ लास्ट टाइम कि हम केवल उस समय नहीं डांट रहे हैं, उस समय तो एनर्जी डाउन हो ही रहा है, बट द मल्टीपल इफेक्ट्स, कि वो एनर्जी इधर हेट्रेड, इधर हर्ट, इधर फियर, इधर कम्युनिकेशन ब्रेकडाउन, ये सब क्रिएट कर रहा है. और वो एक एक घंटा, पता नहीं कितने, डिपेंडिंग, वी नो, जितना याद रखेगा उतना ज्यादा वो एनर्जी रेडिएट करेगा, वैसा वाला. सो व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, व्हेन आई एम बीइंग कूल, काम, एंड इट्स अ डिसीजन, इट्स नॉट अ हेल्पलेसनेस. तो मेरा जो ग्लास है ना, सुबह we start the work today, Monday morning, or the whole week also. So then the glass which I was fresh in the morning, throughout the day the glass is full, and therefore you are returning home with this full glass. तो अब ये जो दुआएं कमाई ना पूरे दिन, कि इसने ऐसा कहा, आप शांत रहे, फिर भी काम कराया, तो ये जो दुआ है, इतना जो अर्न किया, वो फाइनली किसके पास जाएगा? इट विल कम टू योर चिल्ड्रन. हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी घर पर सिर्फ धन कमाने की नहीं है, लेकिन घर में धन के साथ दुआएं कमाने की भी है, along with money. How much blessings, because there is a lot many things which money can buy, but there are lot many things which money cannot buy. Money can buy comforts, cannot buy happiness. Money can buy things, not peace. All which are physical can be bought by money, but all which are not physical cannot be bought by money. और हमें लाइफ के लिए क्या चाहिए? मनी तो चाहिए, साथ में हैप्पीनेस चाहिए, रिस्पेक्ट चाहिए, ट्रस्ट चाहिए, लव चाहिए, पीस चाहिए. Do we need all these things in life, or we just need money? So एक effort we did to earn money, but the other effort, and therefore what happened? We earned money a lot, but at the same time, at the end of the day कहो या थोड़े समय के बाद लाइफ में देखते ये प्रॉब्लम भी साथ साथ आ रही है, मन बहुत कमजोर हो रहा है. तो जब हम मनी ब्लेसिंग्स हम कमाते हैं, don't teach your children, because we felt, and such a deep rooted impression we have about earning. Money can buy many things, but there are many things which money cannot buy, and these things are the things we need the utmost. Homes money can buy, not relationships. Trust cannot be bought, confidence cannot be bought. These are the things which blessings can do. और जब ये दोनों हो ना, then it is called the life. तो इसलिए जिसका धन, जिसके दुआओं से भी ब्लेसिंग्स जिसने बहुत कमाई है ना, धन कमा रहे हैं ठीक है, इट विल हेल्प यू, बट ब्लेसिंग्स जो कमा रहे हैं, कोई भी ऐसी सिचुएशन आएगी and you need to take a very right decision where there's only mental power which will help you. You need to be very powerful enough to take that strong risk or decision. That is the power of the blessings which will make you have the right decision at the right time. So this is what is the help of not being angry, because what is happening, हम गुस्सा करते गए, निकालते गए, the more I use anything, the more it will grow, और हमारी एनर्जी कम होती गई. Now suppose I choose not to be angry. How? Suppose the CEO, our brother Rajesh, no, Mohtaji, now he says something to you and you don't like it, but what will happen that time? You'll keep quiet. Is it true? You won't say. What does it mean? You could have spoken, but you chose not to speak. Means I know when to be angry, when to not be angry. I can choose. If I can choose, means anger is in my control. अभी एडिक्शन इतनी हुई नहीं कि कभी भी कहाँ भी और किसके सामने भी निकल जाए. हम चूज करते हैं. Means I have a choice not to use it also then. If I have this choice. So नहीं तो क्या होगा? कौन बड़ा कौन छोटा वो तो देखेंगे ही नहीं. So if I have a choice, then every time I can use the choice, no? We choose कि इसके सामने होना चाहिए, इसके सामने नहीं होना चाहिए. तो इसलिए if we have this strong feeling, no, जैसे वो no tobacco zone होता है ना, no anger zone in the office, कि you are entering into a no anger zone area. क्या हो जाएगा? Why it was said no tobacco zone? क्योंकि the one who is using it and the one who is a passive, he is not directly using it, both, it's dangerous for both of them. That's called no tobacco zone. Therefore it was said कि इस area में नहीं चलेगा. Anger is also like that tobacco. जो use कर रहा है और जो नहीं use कर रहा है, दोनों के लिए वो dangerous है. तो इसलिए, so when anger, because there are so many other emotions being created, और फिर when we do it, we like there is a situation as the sisters told, I just chose not to do it, not to use it, So what happened that time कि उस समय we exercised our power, the choice was used, and then later on, in fact, you felt very proud of it, confident on yourself, faith on yourself. आपकी शक्ति नहीं घटी उस समय. और फिर जैसे एक सिचुएशन में यूज किया तो इसका मतलब दूसरे में भी कर सकते, तीसरे में भी कर सकते. So it means now the decision, if I can use one day, if I can use 1 week, means I can use for so many days, and then eventually it will become the sanskar, which is very natural to be cool, calm, composed. और जब वो संस्कार बन जाएंगे ना, नेचुरल हो जाएगा ना, देन तो अगर आपको यूज नहीं, मतलब जरूरत नहीं है, वो तो है ही है, you will never feel कि I'd been so quiet. कई बार if we are physically also we tried, that also is fine, but physical भी हम try करते हैं, हम कहते हैं मैं 10 बार चुप रही, but then तो फिर मुझे बोलना पड़ा, right? अभी आप 1 week आपका मैंने चुप, because I told the sister and I raised my hand, so I am very sincere, so 1 week मैं चुप रही. Now जो कहता है ना 10 बार चुप रही and 11th बार तो, and then they give the example कि राम जी ने भी क्या किया, ओशन को ना हाथ जोड़ा था, प्लीज गिव अस द वे, बट 3 days के बाद वो नहीं माना ना, इवन ही यूज्ड एंगर. So I need some special figure to have done that, so that I also can take that no, I can take that liberty, because if he has done it I can also do it. Actually when we say कि 10 बार मैं चुप रहा, but 11th time वो 10 बार, it's like the you have put something on the gas just now you put the water over the gas and आपने चालू ही कर दिया गैस को और वो हाई उबलने लगा. What does it mean? It was already heated, because of which the moment you started boiling हो गया, नहीं तो ऐसे कैसे boil हो जाता. तो if 11th बार I just come out, 1 week आप चुप रहे, it means 10 times 1 week में कहीं ना कहीं it was getting heated, and therefore 11th time तो वो तो निकल ही गया पूरा. So what is no anger means, even that little heating, इतना सा भी, this not created, she's wrong, she doesn't understand, ये thought आना is called being angry. This is called being angry. So not having even a single of that thought, I understand she has not done it, she should have done this, but I creating this thought for her, maybe physically I'm not vocal about it, I'm actually lowering my energy. And the one which is, so that time I didn't speak, but I've lowered my energy. Tomorrow also she did wrong, I again had that thought, so I lowered it. 10 times I saw, so every time, so it was 10, it became 9. Again yesterday when I saw one thought again created, it became 8, 7, 10 दिन के बाद 1 पे आया, और इसलिए 11th डे को वो सीधा उबलने लगा, because every time that little one single thought also was created. And then तो फिर हम कहते फिर क्या फायदा, and like the other person would say what's the use, and you would say but at least 10 times I tried, but actually speaking, can I say I've tried 10 times? Because I was actually lowering it और 11th डे तो पूरा ही हो गया. So not to even have that thought, but of course डिसिप्लिन भी करेंगे, सब कुछ करेंगे, बट उसकी भी एनर्जी बढ़ाना और अपनी एनर्जी. वी हैव अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल वे ऑफ पॉइंटिंग समवन्स मिस्टेक. किसी को मिस्टेक भी बताना है, एज अ रिस्पॉन्सिबल पोजिशन यू वुड से देन हाउ डू वी गेट द वर्क डन. कभी भी इंजेक्शन देते हैं ना, तो क्या करते पहले, उसको जगह को अनकॉन्शियस करते, सॉर्ट ऑफ नो, अल्कोहल वो कुछ डालते, एंड देन द इंजेक्शन इज डन. Any surgery also first it is made unconscious. So whenever you want to even point out the mistakes of the person, first praise then raise. उसकी पहली अच्छी बात जो है bring it out, कि आप देखो कितने you are so sincere, you are so understanding, you be so clear. I mean what all the genuine specialties he has, वो specialities हम बताते हैं, and then tell the reality ki if you could just be lit bit punctual, what will happen. So first you have made him unconscious, और उसके बाद एक light instruction. Is it possible that the receiving will be more than the other way around? तुम तो कुछ नहीं करते, तुमको कितनी बार बोला, you can't understand just this much thing. This is also the way. Or genuine, it is not flattering of course, कि this is the speciality. कभी भी जब बीज बोना होता है ना, फर्स्ट व्हाट वी डू, वी मेक द लैंड फर्टाइल, और फिर बीज बोया जाता है. तो क्या होता है फिर, देन इट गिव्स द राइट फ्रूट. डायरेक्टली बीज कभी नहीं बोते, फर्टाइल करते लैंड को. सो बाय प्रेजिंग द पर्सन ऑफ हिज द क्वालिटीज विच ही रियली पोजेस, इफ ही इज विथ मी, my subordinate, my colleague, my brother, my sister, we know each other, and since 20 years or 30 years or 10 years or 5 years, whatever number of years or days we are together, we know the specialties, then therefore we are since so long. तो क्या if specialties जो पता है उस पर पहले फोकस करके and then speaking, then बीज बोना, what would the result be? You are making the person strong to receive what he is not done, and therefore what the correction is. और जो स्ट्रॉन्ग, कभी भी एक सर्जरी भी करते तो क्या करते, पहले बेसिक पैरामीटर्स को चेक किया जाता है. नहीं, सर्जरी लंग्स की करनी है, बीपी चेक करते हैं, डायबिटीज चेक करते हैं, ब्लड टेस्ट किया जाता है. बिकॉज अगर ये बेसिक पैरामीटर्स ही नहीं है तो इतनी बड़ी सर्जरी कैसे होगी. तो सिमिलरली, what are the basic qualities of the soul? I want to do that surgery, make him right, correct him, but first check the basic. वो है ही वैसा weak अभी से, he is already very negative, he is in fear because he has done that mistake and he is presenting that project before you, and that time only we just, so क्या होगा उसका, already he is in fear, already he is disturbed, and then I'm saying, तो मेरा भी जो बोला हुआ होगा, it is actually going useless. I'm speaking so heavily. Anger is such a heavy emotion, such a strong investment, but to that person in that company, जिसमें मुझे कुछ returns नहीं मिलेगा. So my correction also should have a very strong value. Controlling anger means I'm able to actually be a good leader. ऐसा ही होता है ना. तो इसलिए therefore when we do it in our regular, like you have come in the office today Monday morning, taken a vow, no anger zone, the whole complex, my cabin. तो क्या हो रहा है कि अब टेकन अ डिसीजन कि मुझे करना ही नहीं है, इधर से भी स्टार्टिंग यहाँ से है, एंड आई विल चेंज द थॉट इमीडिएटली कि ओके नो प्रॉब्लम, बिकॉज एट एज इट इज the moment we are cool calm after using that anger, we could understand कि what is the mistake, the way we spoke was not good, तो realization तो वैसे भी हो जाती है, but this decision will make us vigilant even that time, and therefore, so because I didn't create it, I'm light अब, and then throughout the day वो पानी वैसा का वैसा फुल रहा, and everyone, all those who are going out from the office in the evening, they are parent also. So a light professional, light manager is going as a parent, a light parent. So emotionally strong professional and emotionally strong parent, what will the children get from that such emotionally strong parent? Powerful energy from which the parents. So now we are creating emotionally strong children. हम कहते हैं हमारे बच्चे ना बहुत जल्दी हाजिर जवाबी है, बहुत गुस्सा करते हैं. We do the, for the 12th standard, the counseling is being done particularly during the board exams, and for those children who are on anti-anxiety pills, because 12th standard hai, board exams hai, they are on the pills. Just imagine these are the children who are going to join your organization after 5 years from now. Those students, they are these professionals who just for an exam they have to take an anti-anxiety pill. What could you think the way they will be able to face the world? अभी तो कुछ भी नहीं है, खाली एक एग्जाम ही है. But emotionally weak children, and the reason is a bigger contribution of emotionally weak parent, and the reason is emotionally weak during the day as a professional in the corporation, in the company I'm working. So then I go with this pressure to my home, make the whole energy very heavy many times, and this is what the energy is being caught by the children, and therefore they are the ones who are facing the brunt of all of us taking the pills. Do we like such kind of professionals entering our organization? Do we like to recruit it? फिर हम कहते हैं कि बहुत ऑफिस में जाते हैं ना, वहाँ का बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग एनर्जी है, बहुत हैवी हो जाता है हम लोग. हु इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर इट? तो इसलिए हम सिर्फ मार्क्स डिग्री लेके बच्चों को नहीं पालना करेंगे, बट इमोशनली स्ट्रॉन्ग चिल्ड्रन, and these will become emotionally strong professional, and then these will become emotionally strong parent, again the emotionally strong children. ये पूरा cycle है. Who can do it? How many of us can do it? Just every day if I take that कि इस समय ये मुझे नहीं करना है, ये बात आई, I'll handle like that. It's a small decision. We can write in your organization, you are walking in a no anger zone. जो आने वाला होगा ना उसको भी समझ में आ जाएगा, और जो रहने वाला होगा ना उसको भी विजिलेंट रहेगा वो. बिकॉज क्या हो रहा है, एक्चुअली इट इज अ वेरी सिंपल थिंग. एक simple belief system है because of which we are doing this. They hurt me. They said something and therefore they hurt me. What is actually the science behind this emotion? When I say they hurt me, so I'm creating whatever is happening here. I say that it is because of you. So you are controlling what I'm creating here. Is it true? So मेरा इधर का मन पूरा आपके कंट्रोल में है. So therefore you hurt me. And then we say you rejected me. They rejected me. I feel very let down. So everything others are controlling me. And then we say nobody likes me. Nobody loves me. Nobody values me. And then nobody needs me. और फिर finally होता है I don't want to live. There is no need to live. But where it started? It started with they hurt me. Others controlling myself. Then they take such step. तो इसलिए just 30 seconds if we just check ourselves. एक exercise करते हैं 30 seconds. Just check the last time if anyone has created anger. Those were raised तो बहुत अच्छा हुआ. Any time last in this week, if at all, anyone created anger? Could you recall? You can recall. 30 seconds. See the situation. It could be, we are not talking about physically speaking or abusing. वो तो बहुत, and it's about much later stage. Even here, I felt ये ठीक नहीं है. इसने ऐसा क्यों कहा? इधर आया थोड़ा सा. So last time, just recall that time. Okay. All of you just do that exercise 30 seconds. See the same situation. See the situation and the way I reacted. It's very easy. Now, everything remaining the same. The people, the area, the work. But just visualize ourselves reacting in a different manner. एकदम अपने आप को 30 seconds, 15 seconds from now. Everything outside would be the same. See yourself reacting in a different manner. Okay. So how many of them saw yourself? Everything remaining the same, saw yourself in a different? Was it possible? So everyone, I'm sure, have created it. Okay. It means I choose to become angry. It's clear then. It's like I can use another option also, not to get angry. I can use, because I could visualize myself. So now there would be an emotionally stronger response, which is the right response, which means my response is chosen by me. Can we say this? I will choose the way I will do. So if the response is chosen by me, who is the creator? I'm the creator. Very good. So I am the creator of the response. So I am the creator, I am the organizer. So I'm more powerful, no? Like the organizer here has the whole control. If they want to mute you, they will mute. If they want to unmute, then only. So the control is with the organizers. I am the controller of my response. The moment that I do it, it's like I become powerful because the control is in my hands. So otherwise, what will happen? We live as a victim. कि उसने बोला ही ऐसा ना, वो बोल ऐसे देते ना, और मैं सुन लिया ना, और अब मैंने देख लिया ना, जस्ट आई कैन नॉट डू एनीथिंग. एक विक्टिम फीलिंग से लिव करना द लाइफ. और यहाँ एक ऑर्गेनाइजर और क्रिएटर की फीलिंग से लिव करना. सो यू डू whatever you say, whatever you feel according to you, you feel right, you will say it. I have the power to think what is peaceful, what is right, what is cool, what is purposeful. क्रोध में बहुत बार हम बोल ऐसे देते हैं जो कभी नहीं बोलना चाहिए. ऐसा भी होता है. क्या होता है, कोई बार मतलब हम बहुत बार हमारा क्या था कि अंदर कन्वर्टर लगाया हुआ था कि इधर नेगेटिव हो रहा था, इधर एक कन्वर्टर था, और जब निकलता था तो वो पॉजिटिव निकलता था. बट एंगर में क्या होता है, वो कन्वर्टर चला जाता है. सो अंदर जो है ना वो पूरा निकल जाता है. तो फिर पता चलता है अच्छा अभी ऐसा है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, in obviously we are not using this converter, but when I say keep, I will choose whatever you say, but I will choose the response. So the equation is कि आप कुछ करेंगे तो मुझे अच्छा लगेगा. So I always keep waiting. इसलिए कई बार हम कहते हैं मैं इतने समय से उनको कह के थक गई हूं, बट वो तो वैसे के वैसे है. हम बोलते हैं कभी, इट कुड बी पर्टिकुलरली टू अ नियर एंड डियर वंस, मैं तो कह के थक गई हूं. कह के थकना क्यों थके? क्योंकि एवरी टाइम आई सेड, टुडे आई सेड, आई वाज वेरी फ्रेश, आई सेड टू यू, तो ओके, बट टुमारो व्हेन आई से द सेम थिंग, आई वाज एक्सपेक्टिंग कि कल बोल दिया तो अब आपको ठीक होना चाहिए, एंड दैट एक्सपेक्टेशन नहीं मीट हुआ. टुमारो आई विल बी मोर डाउन एंड देन आई स्पीक एंग्री. और फिर 1 2 3, फिर हम कहते हैं मैं तो थक गई हूं. So who told you to become tired? Who made you tired? I said मैं, ये सुनते नहीं ना. So this dependency we have to take control of. So today our homework would be no depending, saying no to any dependency. तो फिर इसलिए क्या होता है कि हम कहते हैं कि आप सॉरी बोलो तो मुझे अच्छा लगेगा. So the equation is always कि when you do something, I'll be okay. The control, because everything is in your control. So therefore when I understand I am the creator, मुझे create करना है, तो आप ऐसे है, I'll still create very powerful thoughts. And this is what it actually is in meditation, we learn that. And अगर हम we will be trying always, obviously for 1 week, एक दिन करके देखेंगे. You do anything, I create. You are a pure soul, and there must be some reason why you said like that. So I will give myself, you did something wrong, but I will give a challenge to myself to understand there must be something which made you do it, and because of which you did it. तो क्या किया मैंने, अपने में अंडरस्टैंडिंग क्रिएट की, छोटे से सिचुएशन में क्रिएट किया. तो क्या होगा, माय बैटरी वुड गो ऑन इंक्रीजिंग, बढ़ जाएगी. I didn't create anger, but I created this kind of thought. Possible to do it? Just कुछ भी किया, मुझे ऐसा कुछ create करना है. Of course, what are the variety of thoughts that we are going to create? We'll be learning next time. But this is what the decision will do. और फिर क्या होगा कि it's like, suppose I'm speaking. Is it possible that those who don't want, they'll just switch off and go away, go out of the Zoom also? Choice है कि नहीं है? तो इसी तरह anyone wants to move out of my life, there is a choice. Agar it's as good as anyone moving out of the Zoom, किसी को नहीं अच्छा लगता, they'll just move out of the relationship. हम क्या कहेंगे? बिकॉज हमने बैटरी को डाउन नहीं किया छोटी छोटी बातों में, पूरे दिन ध्यान रखा. तो 24 आवर्स किया तो 1 वीक भी कर सकते हैं, सेकेंड डे भी करेंगे, थर्ड डे, तो 1 वीक भी किया. एंड नाउ इट बिकम्स अ संस्कार कि कुछ भी किया, इधर आई क्रिएट अ पॉजिटिव थॉट. आई जस्ट हैव टू बी लिटिल कॉन्शियस दैट टाइम, अटेंशन, एंड बिकॉज इट्स अ डिसीजन. जैसे एज वी सॉ कि when we want to, if someone of higher authority scolds us, we keep quiet because we choose कि नहीं, we cannot speak before them. तो means we can do it, we have a choice always. Is it possible? तो इसलिए हम बार बार कोई चीज हम डेली करते हैं और उसको हमको छोटे छोटे में ट्राई करना पड़ता है. I cannot live without coffee. I cannot live without mobile. I cannot live without internet. So what will happen? I cannot live without that person. तो हमको छोटे छोटे में ट्राई करेंगे हम कि कॉफी मिले ठीक है, नहीं मिले इट्स ओके. इंटरनेट चल रहा है, नहीं चल रहा है, वो खाली बफरिंग कर रहा है, वो भी मुझे इरिटेशन दे रही है. सो इवन इफ अगर वो वर्क कर रहा है तो ठीक है, नहीं वर्क कर रहा है तो भी ठीक है. सो इफ आई ट्राई इन छोटी छोटी चीजों में, तो क्या होगा? जब बड़ी चीज आएगी तो इट्स ओके, कर रहे हैं, दे आर कमिंग टू मी फाइन, दे डोंट वांट, इट्स फाइन. उसको भी दुआएं देंगे, कोई बात नहीं, आप जहां भी जा रहे हो खुश रहो. 1-2 घंटा चलो हो जाएगा, but you are so much so independent of others feelings, others emotions, that the remote control is completely in my hands. Hurt, rejection, anger means the remote control is completely in their hands. और जो जिसके हाथ में रिमोट कंट्रोल होता है ना, वो जैसा देखना चाहे वही देखता है. Others will have to just see what they want. क्योंकि if he had changed the channel, आपको वही देखना पड़ेगा क्योंकि रिमोट उसके पास है. तो if my remote controller is with them, तो उन लोग जो चाहे वैसे करेंगे. तो इसलिए हम क्या करेंगे? स्पिरिचुअलिटी का मतलब ही है just taking care of yourself and then doing it. See, the agenda of life क्या है? 3 चीज है. The whole life: family, self, and office work. What is the priority sequence which we do? Family, self, these are the 3 areas of our life. So just do it in the right sequence. Family, self, work. Work, family, self हो सकता है, self, family और work हो सकता है, work, self, family हो सकता है, ऐसा भी हो सकता है. What is the sequence? 1, self, 1, 2 is family, 3 is work. How do you want to put it? 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. What do you want to? How do you want to put it? How much? How many? 1, 2, 3. Self. पहले work. Family. I think so. Family is always in the between, in the middle. ऊपर नीचे खाली वर्क और सेल्फ में ही करना है. क्या करेंगे? क्या चॉइस है? वर्क, फैमिली एंड सेल्फ. तो now I place importance to the work, or with that heavy pressure I come to the family, और सेल्फ के लिए तो बहुत कम टाइम है. So what will happen? It's like seed is the self, trunk is the family, and the tree is the work. अगर हम ट्री को खाली पानी देते रहे, मेरे पत्ते पत्ते को भी पानी दिया, कितने दिन होगा? ठीक होगा. सीड को पानी देने से पूरा ऑटोमेटिक. So when I take care of the self, take care of these feelings, take care of my mind, take care of my body, both mind and body, and then go to the family with this happy family, then I go to work. तो थोड़ा सा खाली सीक्वेंस को चेंज करना है, टाइम उतना ही देंगे. You were given, you give only less time to yourself, no problem, but the priority should be this. Self seed, watering seed को दिया जाता है, पूरे वृक्ष में ऑटोमेटिक हो जाता है. And then you will say, when you're taking care of yourself, then you see. तो उसमें क्या करना है? Automatically. So I just take a 20 minutes of study, spiritual study every day, 20 minutes of meditation. Just 40 minutes, or if not, at least half an hour. 20 minutes of spiritual study, having good thought early in the morning, the very first what you get up, 1 घंटा तक no mobile at least. And just for that 1 hour, deep powerful positive thoughts, बहुत हमारे right thoughts के messages है. 20 minutes to ponder over it, 10 minutes meditation, and then doing your other things, family and then work. Can this be possible? So every day we can have that 20 minutes of spiritual study. Possible? So from next Monday onwards, we'll do that little bit of study, what 20 minutes will do, so that it will become very easy for us. And then 10 minutes meditation. So of course, meditation is a beautiful subject. आधा घंटा रोज आप करो ये, and then go to the family, and then go to the work. How would it be? Very powerful. Every day having this 20 minutes. तो अभी हम 2 minutes to 3 minutes meditation करते हैं. So today in meditation, I just understand myself as a pure energy, point of light. A very peaceful energy. And I understand that I am the control, I am the creator of every feelings. So see yourself in different situations, regular situations we know, talking to even hard people, so-called, and then I choose the response of the day. इनके साथ बात करेंगे, हमको पता है कि कुछ ऐसे ऐसे बोलते हैं, अपने आप को देखो, मुझे कैसे बात करनी है, मुझे कैसे रिस्पॉन्ड करना है। इनके साथ बैठेंगे, वो ऐसे कहते हैं, देखो अपने आप को, हमको कैसे रिस्पॉन्ड करना है। I am a peaceful being. I am a powerful being. Om Shanti. So a self-reflection, which is a very short reflection we did. So homework for the next week will be, this is the homework. So today it is no dependency on. So today we are saying no to anger, on no to any dependency. Ki whatever they say, but I have the power to create the thought. So how many times I took the responsibility of my anger, hurt, or any emotion? Suppose anyone did anything to me, did I take the responsibility? Yes, I created these feelings. So this is the homework for the whole week. So no hurt, no dependency, कि वो उसने बोला ही ऐसा था ना, तो natural है ना. So the moment it appeared, but I will check that did I create anything, and if I created, the responsibility is mine. And then did I try to change it? So this is the homework. I hope you all got the homework. तो जब भी कुछ हुआ, अगर create होता है, तो it means I took the responsibility कि yes, I created it. मैंने गलत feel किया. Naturally होता है, not that way, but मैंने feel किया. So how many times in a day did I take this, understand this and take that responsibility? So first of all, the moment I take the responsibility, then obviously next minute for the next situation, I'll be changing it. So ये पूरे दिन में homework कर सकते, no anger, no dependency on anything outside. तो इस week पूरा ये homework रहेगा. How many in the homework? Because next time थोड़ा difficult होगा, next Monday. Deep chapter will be doing. Meditation, yeah, very good. So wonderful. Manvi Ben, we are very good group this time. All of them have raised their hands. Good. Yeah. So therefore, we are sending, the stainless steel company is sending emotionally strong professionals and emotionally strong talent. Wonderful. So thanks a lot.
Thank you, Didi. Thank you for such for your words of wisdom, and I'm sure this is an excellent start of the week for everyone. And we are going to implement this learnings. On behalf of the team, I can promise that we are going to practice this homework and bring a noticeable change in the way we work every day. Thank you so much.
Mhm.